Guys, happy weekend, guys. Just slight meal, leftovers. I got some leftover rice, still nice and fluffy. I got some jerk chicken that I pulled off the bin. That's leftover from the other night. I got 2 eggs. I got some beans. I got some onions, and then I got some fresh garlic, some fresh thyme under there, and some bird's pepper, and a little oil. Somewhere in there. What you think I'm gonna make? I'm making jerk chicken fried rice. So that's a jerk chicken. Look at that. Pulled off the bin. 1 egg, 2 egg dust. I got my bird's red pepper, my fresh garlic, my thyme underneath, my onions, my beans, and a little bit of light soy and oyster sauce. That's it. I'm gonna bang it all in there and cook up. To be continued. Let's go cook some jerk chicken fried rice. You ready? Oh yeah, would you? My pepper, my garlic, and my thyme. Adding my protein or that nice pulled jerk chicken I leftover jerk. Look at that. So not least, adding my leftover rice from last night. Didn't realize it was going to be this much, but yeah. Yeah. And coming along. At least, keep in mind, guys, this is all leftovers. So, normally put peas in there, but I got some beans that I had from the other day from my soup. Yeah. And then my light soy and my oyster sauce. Give a little bit of flavor. You know, that color. That, guys, we have some nice jerk chicken fried rice with all my leftovers that I had. Here, have a look at that. Then Caribbean cuisine meets PanAsian cuisine. Let's go plate up. Now let's go fill this plate up with some jerk chicken fried rice. Ham cooking, leftovers. And there you have it, guys. My jerk chicken fried rice. Look at that. Let's go eat. Saturday night meals. Made over leftovers. While you guys out in the club getting drunk and all that. I'm chilling. Got my dongle. I'm gonna watch about a couple movies. Especially since I've got about 10,000 movies at my hand. But look at that. Whoosh. Happy Saturday, guys. From Love from Brown, UK. No, I put the chopsticks there for the look in it, but you don't need rice with a chopstick. Use a soup spoon in it. Let's go test it out. That's spicy. Jack chicken spicy. And the bird's pepper, but it's lovely there. Mm-hmm. 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 Start Paulito. Saturday, January 10th, 2026. We have some jerk chicken. No, jerk chicken fried rice. Woo! She's spicy, mate. Whoosh.